Hello dear students, my name is Jyoti and today I will help you to understand the MS Word interface. So without further delay, let's come on the laptop screen. This is MS Word 2000 interface. At the top of it is the title bar where the name of your document will come. Left of the title bar is the quick access toolbar where you can add frequently used tools. This is MS Office button. Maybe if you are working in different versions, so you will get File tab in place of this MS Office button. The area just below the title bar, this area, is called the ribbon, where you will get different tabs having different groups for helping you in proper documentation and formatting. This is your document area where you can type your text. The bar at the bottom of your Word window is the status bar. This bar is the status bar where you will get the current page number, total number of pages and total word count. Then this is your zoom slider bar. This is to increase or decrease the view size of your page. This bar is the vertical scroll bar to move your page up and down, and this one is the horizontal scroll bar to move your page left and right. This is your horizontal ruler, this is your vertical ruler. These are the tab stops. If you want to increase or decrease the margins, left, right, top and bottom, you can increase or decrease it from here, like this. You can increase or decrease right margin, top margin and bottom margin from here. At the top right corner of your Word window, these three buttons are placed. This button is used to minimize your Word window. This is to maximize or resize, and this is to close your Word window. I hope today you got familiar with the Word window. In our coming videos, we are going to see all components one by one and will practice. Thank you.